Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Carroll County in east central Ohio, east central Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Dover, or near New Philadelphia, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source.
Oh, hi, Kiddo.
Indicated intact. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Midvale, Barnhill, Delroy, Sharpsville, Roswell, Leesville, Atwood Lake, and Leesville Lake Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll and Tuscarawas. At 3 p.m.